Alright, so I have a 22 Tacoma, and I had an issue where the whole climate control panel, the heated seats, rear sliding window didn't work, and I think I had an issue with the side windows as well. Let me check if it works. Yeah, I actually fixed it. So I had an issue where my side window stopped working with the master window switch. There's just weird problems going on, and I think even the headlights didn't work. So I found the fuse that's related to it. So it's going to be under the driver's side kick panel, and it was this 7.5 right here, this one right here. So number 3 from the bottom, 7.5, and on that little fuse diagram right here, it's this one right here, ECU IG number 2. So driver's side panel, fuse box.